Why is there always sand? Good morning. It's good. It's good now that we have coffee.
Water bottles.
Good job. It's very early. I have puppy eyes this morning. Puppy.
You guys look lovely.
Oh, he's such a gentleman. Is everyone pre-queuing to queue in the line?
I think we're pre-queuing.
This is a pre-queue. Does this mean I want to be here now, or do I have to? Should I go back and get coffee first? I'm committed now. Although, so sad. Rocking the skin suit today because I'm gonna pretend like I can go fast. Back in Oak Ridge after day 2 of Oak Ridge, day 3 of the Oregon Trail. Shorter stage today, which I was thinking we would have started out a lot faster than we did, but it was like 20 something miles of flat where we all just sort of rolled through holes together, and then it went up, and Sarah Stern went really hard. I could not go that hard. Ended up 3rd on the day because Serena outdefended me. Seems like that's just where I am this trip. I'm going to procure more chocolate milk. Mix it with my scratch recovery. You guys are watching me talking to my camera. If they don't get it, they must not be fans of the vlog. My numbers come undone. It's gonna be a really hard day. Now I lose this dynamicness. I don't know what to do about it. Maybe I'll chew some gum and throw it on there. Maybe I'll steal some electrical tape off Corey's bike. Carrie's just planning on taking a nap while he's riding. May as well with how you're doing.
What about you?
Okay, yeah, like I'm behind you, but whatever. I'm a girl, apparently we're supposed to be behind you. Some guy came up to me after dinner last night and asked if Carrie was even still here. I like that guy. This is the Cascade Ice Emergency Services Division. It's an ice emergency. Shammy change. Cream application. Rolling out to the start of day 4. This is a really big climb stage. 10,000 feet. I think the first 5,000 are all in one climb right off the start. Last year it went so well. This year, sad faces all around. Sad lights. I got dropped pretty early. Carrie before he attacked. And I tried to go with him, but they didn't tell me they were going. So I was dangling. Group caught on. Nobody wanted to pull. Pulled for a while. And then group split up. I was with women's group. And I got dropped. Playing along.
Went hard.
We're walking to the shower. It's a headwind. Took some pulls with Statina and the child. And I knew I wouldn't have to climb, so I just wanted to have fun beforehand. And so I didn't even put in too much of an effort. I was in 4th for a while, until I was in 5th for a long time, and then I was in 4th. And then Zach pulled Serena to me, and I was in 5th again. And then passed somebody, and then I was in 3rd. And then there was a close finish, meaning the finish line was not marked. And then Serena outsprinted me. So, Jesus! Hi! That was kind of nice. And now we continue the trek. We figured walking was easier than riding.
My butt doesn't want to touch a bike seat.
Yeah. I got salty. Today was like 93 miles and almost 10,000 feet of climbing. It was like 9,600 feet, 9,700 feet. Super hot. I never got salty, so this was exciting for me. Just set up a tent. I'm really tired and I have to pee. I have to pee so bad. Day 5. I'm tired AF. Some people are rolling out at 6:30. The rest of us rolling out at 7:30. In La Pine, going back to Sisters. Which means we have to pass by Bend, which means I can just go home. Ew! Ow!
Did you say ow?
I was like, who's talking to themselves over there?
The number of like old dudes that just stare at me as I'm talking into my camera. Like, how has Carrie kept this up for so long?
Don't they know that there's a website for that?
I'm not cool enough. Oh, they're starting. 6:30 crew is out. I mean, it's 6:45, but who's counting? There's so many of them. Everyone's abandoned us. Bye, Berrywicks. Have fun, Berrywicks. The chick's number's upside down. Your number's upside down. You guys are already off the back. Oh no. Dude. Good morning, how are you?
I'm well, how are you doing?
I really don't have a solid answer for that.
Oh,
A lot of difficult bicycle pedaling ahead. But little leggies, you can't handle it.
last day though, hang on for one more.
Loading up my snack bag. It's already got a lot of stuff in there, but I'm gonna jam some more in. This is not the original shape of this Cliff Bar. My Cliff Bars and like Snickers bars have been following me around since Unbound. Like I brought them training. I haven't really trained since Unbound. Everything's like all melted and coagulated. It's okay. Nothing will fit. I don't know what to do. I guess I'll eat this Aussie bite now. Jeff, you and I are both playing the long game. Do you think it's gonna work out for us?
I wish there wasn't a climb to the finish, but I've been feeling that better every day. It's the best 3 out of 5, so you always want to win the last game.
Jeff has a lot more optimism than I do.
My whole team appreciates you guys, and thank you very much.
All right. So everyone's as f***ed as I am, right? Sweet. This is not working. I'm pushing 0 watts all day. Guys, my GoPro's gonna die! We finished! I gotta get naked with these people.